Hey guys, this one right here is a really interesting ChatGPT agent. I call it I'm Bored. It suggests fun activities based on your interests and real-time data like your location. Let's say you live in Maryland and you want to explore abandoned buildings. Let's see what we can come up with. I'm in Maryland and I want to explore abandoned buildings. And let's see what we get. Awesome, you're in for an adventure in Maryland. Exploring abandoned buildings can be thrilling, but remember it's important to stay safe. Here's a few cool spots you might want to check out. Forest Haven Asylum in Laurel. And as you can see, it's giving us a list of different abandoned buildings that are popular to visit with a warning, because this ChatGPT has a specific filter in which you are allowed to do unsafe and unsanctioned activities. However, you are given a warning and prompted not to do them. Obviously, use this tool legal. The reason why I don't like filters all the time is because we have laws to stop people from being criminals and to punish them for being criminals. Most criminals are caught besides APTs. And this is a really cool tool. So now let's give it something else. Oh, it looks like it wants a new version. New version of ChatGPT came out. Let's see. Let's say I'm in Utah. I live in Utah. I want to race cars today. After that, I want to explore abandoned mines. I personally know abandoned mines are extremely hard to find in Utah, besides the very popular ones that are featured on some YouTube channels in mystery YouTube channels. Alright, let's see. You're gearing up for an adrenaline-packed day in Utah. Let's get started with the racing car part. In Utah, there are several places where you can experience the thrill of racing cars. Miller Motorsports Park, now known as Utah Motorsports Campus, that's a mouthful, in Tool offers a range of options from go-karting to actual racing experiences. Okay, so this time it didn't actually give us a list. I generally like it to give a list. I may edit that. But as you can see, really cool tool. If you're bored, it can also not just recommend outside activities, but ones to do inside. I live in New York. Give me some fun things I can do inside. I enjoy crafts, but I don't enjoy... Let's see, I don't enjoy making crafts out of wood. So now we're just giving it some more fun prompts. Live in New York. Give me some fun things to do inside. I enjoy crafts, but I don't like making things out of wood. It's just a few things. Pottery, great tool all around. Very normal tool. I think it'll help a lot of people find something fun to do for the day. Worst case scenario, I think a couple of people would use this maybe a couple times and hopefully even go through with the prompts. I really do think these prompts could actually make someone have a much different day than normal, a day that they would remember. It's just fun to have those, I call them scout camp experiences. You can always look back and remember this one pure week of a Boy Scoutery and merit badges. And you can, impromptu do this in your own life. Just say, today, I'm not playing any games, I'm going to study. Or today, I'm just reading this book. Or today, I'm focusing on building sandwiches. And I think that this kind of silly stuff is really important to have in our lives. It just makes things fun and lets our imaginations have a couple sparks. Thank you guys for watching. And yeah, give it a like and subscribe. Goodbye.